Today we're going to talk about a software known as MS. Now, you may be wondering, what is MS? So allow me to introduce. So let's start, shall we? MS is a secure and user-friendly platform. It is based on lottery platforms. It offers its users various features such as real-time tracking. What does it mean? That its user can easily track what's happening in the application. It's very easy to use and it's always grant you a win-win situation no matter what. As you can see, here's a picture of MS application. Now how MS functions or how MS works? Well, the MS is an application which uses 6 years worth of data and research which enables it to perform at its best. Due to this, the probability of loss becomes zero and negligible. MS is designated to various lottery platforms. One of them is ACES management platform. User is only need to log in to his or her ACES account, then MS automatically or simultaneously start to track and purchase the lottery which has the highest probability of winning. Now let's talk about the benefit it offers to its user. Well, first of all, there are various plans that are implemented in the MS. The starting plan starts from 1000 rupees. As you can see, there is a plan A which is of rupees 1000 and offers a daily profit between rupees 30 to 150, and the plan B which starts at rupees 3000 and offers a daily profit of rupees 150 to 900. There are various plans which are designed to fit your preference. As you can see, here is the list of plans. MS only charges a fees of 20% of your total profit. It offers you a stable profit and a good earning. How MS makes its profit? Well, MS uses a basic algorithm which captures a number that hasn't appeared for a long time. It starts to track and purchase it because the odds of appearing that number is very high, which results in low losses or no losses over time. MS development and interface. The application MS has only been to market for about a year. I know you may be wondering that it's too early for it, right? But you know, its achievement is far exceeded what we expected. Well, so far, its users have earned a total of rupees 3 billion through the help of MS. Now this only shows you that the capacity at which the MS operates is far too great. It offers so much profit to its user that they are happy and earning profit regularly and have a stable income. They are happy investors. This only comes to show to you that MS is a wealth management program. MS teams and services. MS members are there to guide you in each and every step of the way. They respond to all your queries, they solve all your doubts, help in your problems, and lead you to your goal. They enables your earning potential to reach its maximum. Time to time, they organize various meetings for its new and old investors. They tell everyone how should they operate